Good morning, guys. I'm here back at the Big Blue Hotel, Big Blue, for Blackpool Pleasure Beach opening weekend. I'm slightly dying, I won't lie. Everyone was at the Velvet Coaster last night, the sesh. Andy's putting me off my vlog, very much so. And we look out here, it is windy, the sea is very lively. It is not going to be a nice day at the Pleasure Beach. Of course, the wind doesn't matter because we know the big one's closed anyway because it's having its track work. But it's going to be a great opening weekend and we're going to have a lot of laughs anyway. So I'll catch you guys at the park. Work.
Autism boy.
Fuck off. I'm a bit wet, guys. Very, very wet. So we did the log flume. It was the 1 o'clock takeover.
Egg.
But now we're doing Dora. But yes, if anyone says to you, Rugrats, the raft thing is dry, they lie. Over there somewhere, you got all the geeks. Mike went down after us, got absolutely soaked. Very hilarious. So we just came off Dora, and I'm never riding a ride with these two again, ever. Ever. Never again. Like, they made it so bad. They kept spinning the bloody things.
You love it.
And then now we're going to do SpongeBob because we're soaked anyway. Alright. But yeah, I'm not vlogging as much as I normally would because I'm just having a laugh, enjoying the day. Of course, tomorrow when I vlog, I'm going to be very hungover, so that's going to be a different time. Catch you in a bit. Right, guys, so I did a me, and I forgot to vlog yesterday. A little funny video of Lee trying to use the gun, splash battles. I did my intro from the hotel, but we were just enjoying it, and I was a bit hungover for Friday night. Last night, did not go out to Pop World. Just did a session the spoons till like 1 AM, so stayed till the pub closed. Did not go out. Apparently, a few of my mates went to like the emo night, but I just wasn't feeling it. It was more of a pub weekend. Today, Icon is on one train, but they are smashing it out. Big Dipper's on one train like it was yesterday, but again, those throughputs are going really quickly. But Steeplechase is open today, and Steeplechase was closed yesterday, so we're going to get on Steeplechase. We did all the rides yesterday. Oh, hello, here it comes. Whee! Bye, Icon. That's going to come back through the roll soon. But yeah, we're having a good day. It's not even midday yet, and we've already been on Big Dipper and Icon, so I'd say that's a successful day at the Pleasure Beach so far. I might look into merch in a bit, have a look at all the ride parts, always do pop into that shop. But yeah, it's going to be a mini vlog for Blackpool because I forgot to vlog yesterday. Catch you guys in a bit. We're going to go get lost. We're in the puzzle maze. Oh, we did do Impossible this morning as well, but I'm trusting Andy here. I'm trusting him to not get us lost. I feel like he might know the way. Upstairs. So many stairs. But yeah. You get nice views up here. Hopefully we don't get lost. Basically what we've learned is going up the bridges means you just get back to the bridges. Like, did we... I've lost you, Andy. Oh no, I have actually lost him. He has disappeared. Any luck? Freedom! We made it out. I mean, with Andy's help, because I got lost. And it was like, you're going the wrong way, Jonesy! Very windy, as you'd expect from Blackpool. Revs. Andy likes Revolution. I do not like Revolution as much. But yeah, it's going to be a nice chilled day. And hopefully we don't get too wet. See you guys in a little bit. Right guys, so I haven't vlogged as much. We've been doing plenty of rides. We've done the indoor rides, so we did Alice, we did Wallace and Gromit, I went on Ice Blast, and he filmed a video of me on Ice Blast, thank you to him. Oh, steeplechase is broken again. We should have done it earlier. It's broken. We're going for Burger King for lunch. Yeah, I've been having a really good time. Just did Icon Front Row, that's now on 2 trains. They did add the 2nd train, so that queue's moving very quickly. It's just wet, isn't it? It's just a Blackpool day. It's a wet Blackpool day. But yeah, we're here, we're chilling. Time for some lunch, and like I say, it's just been a mini vlog and just enjoying being back at the parks again. I just did the river caves and I got soaked. Absolutely soaked on the silly river caves. Oh, can't be that bad. It's a nice little ride. Yep. Soaked. As you can tell, it's still very windy. Having a good time. And it's not laughing at me because I said that to the river caves. And he reckons I deserve that, so. But yeah. Time to go on the traumatized. I mean infusion. There it is. To be fair, it's got no queue. Let's walk on into the station. Worth a go, just while we're here. Catch you guys in a little bit. So, like guys, it's 4 o'clock now. We're heading off. We're not staying till 5 o'clock today. We're going to try and get home. I do have tomorrow off work, so it's not like I need to rush back or anything. But it's one of those. We've been on everything we want to that's available. We've had a really good day at the pleasure beach today. It wasn't as busy as yesterday. I think the weather put a lot of people off. It's cold. We did just get a ride on Avalanche. It did just open after being down all day, so that was good. But yes, just getting that head start home. It's a long drive, and you know, we always know the Sunday's quieter. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. There'll be plenty of other vlogs coming along. I'll be back up here for Valhalla when it opens. Maybe just try out Enzo on Icon as well, the spinning cars. But yeah, I'll see you in my next one.